Impress me, new Embry. No I saw him and I was like, no, no, that is not Quill. I I totally did not imagine Quill like that. He's like, no offense to all the geeks in the world, but he looked like a geek, and that is not how I pictured Quill. And I was like, no, not my Quill, not my Quill.
You're always taking sides, but you won't take away my pride.
I didn't have high expectations for Paul because, frankly, in the books, he's kind of annoying because he's always pissed off, and I'm like, dude, get a grip, okay? But when I saw the actor for Paul, I was like, hell yes. Because that man is sexy. And he's, I don't know, I saw him and I was like, yep, he's perfect for Paul. And he's sexy, so he's gonna be the perfect werewolf. I mean, he's sexy all over. All over. And yeah. And I don't know. There's something about him that I think he can pull off Paul, you know, like being all pissed off all the time and being like a time bomb, like ready to explode. So I think he can handle it. I think he can. So good job on Paul. I mean, yeah. There was also a picture I saw that had this sort of girl that looked like Pocahontas, and I don't know if that was Leia, but if it was, good job. I think she fits the part. I really do think. But yeah, so that is the whole wolf pack and everyone they've chosen. So yeah, interesting and fun. Oh, I know I said I was going to have the Twilight board game thing for this week, but I kind of remembered now doing the video, and yeah, so I don't have it.